Hi, this is Mark from Anxious Corner. I'm pretty much going to start a video series about decluttering. I'm beginning to declutter some things around my house. Built this house about 22 years ago, and we're thinking about downsizing, getting near retirement, all that stuff. And I have a couple videos I want to put out on how to declutter. And the one rule of thumb I have always had was this. There's a lot of questions going around on the net about, hey, when should I, throw stuff away and all that. My rule of thumb is this. If you haven't touched it in over a year, it's got to go. That's what I do anyway. And with the exception of like seasonal stuff like Halloween and Christmas decorations and all that, I definitely have to keep hold of that, or my wife would be screaming at me if I did something to it. But um, if I haven't touched it in a year, it goes bye bye. All right. So that's my rule of thumb. What do you guys do? How do you guys have rules of thumbs, or do you pitch them like maybe after 2 years, or what? Let me know in the comments there. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm keeping these videos very short. I'm not like everybody else who gets on here and want to yap about things for 20 minutes. No more of that stuff, at least not from me. Okay, you guys have a good one.